Yeah, let's continue about our last discussion when we were talking about issue. Issue was what she was about to say, and I think we can't just rub it all over. So I decided to bring her on the show again to elaborate more about the issue. Which most people decide to call the devil. Ma, is that true that issue is the devil in the Yoruba pantheon?
No.
Wow.
It's capital no, because issue is different from Satan that Christian and Muslim are saying about today. Ní ayé àtijọ́, èṣù jẹ́ ọ̀kan lára àwọn òrìṣà ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ìdí tí àwọn èèyàn ṣe wá rò pé èṣù ayé àtijọ́ náà ni tòde òní ni wípé èṣù máa ń ṣe búburú ṣe rere nígbà yìí. Èṣù dẹ̀rẹ́ yìí ó jẹ́ èèyàn kan pàtàkì tọ́lọ́run gan máa ń pọ́nlé nígbà tí ó fi gbà ní ìgbà wáṣẹ̀. Èṣù kan kí ayọ̀ bọ́ ni ó ṣe di ohun tó wá di ohun táwọn èèyàn wá ń kà kún ẹni àbòsí tàbí ẹni àrífín ní ìsìn. Ní ìgbà yẹn kò sí ìlú téèyàn máa dé tí ò ní rí oríta. Oríta yẹn gangan ni wọ́n máa ń sábà máa fi ilé èṣù sí.
Okay, orita is junction, right?
Yes, it's
okay,
junction.
like what? Okay, I know we have this orita they call orita meta, which is at 3 junction.
Yes.
So, is there any specific junction where we have this set aside?
It's not have the specific, but
Okay.
it's all the orita,
All
the junctions, all the junctions. Kò sí ìkóríta téèyàn máa dé tí ò ní bá ilé èṣù ń bẹ ní ayé àtijọ́, bọ̀ nísìnyí ayé òyìnbó ti dé, wọ́n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe express, wọ́n ti ń ṣe main road, wọ́n ti ń ṣe street. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀ náà èṣù ò lè ṣe kó má dúró ní ìkóríta àbí tó máa ń dúró yẹn torí pé kí nìdí ó ti gbà yí pé ibẹ̀ ni wọ́n fi ṣe ilé fún un tẹ́lẹ̀.
Okay, that reminds. So that means in case of the roundabout we have, so most people always say that some specific roundabout that you have constant accidents occurring in the roundabout.
Yes.
Does that mean that is the work of this issue?
For now ó ti wá di ohun tó jẹ́ pé èṣù ayé òde òní òun ló wá ń gba iṣẹ́ ìkóríta ayé òde òní.
That is a civilized issue.
Yes, torí pé kí nìdí ojú ti là, ọ̀làjú ti dáyé. Ní ayé àtijọ́ táwọn èèyàn bá fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan re, ohun tí wọ́n bá lọ dífá lọ́dọ̀ onífá kí wọ́n tó lè ṣe anything, babaláwo àkọ́kọ́ ní kí wọ́n lọ rúbọ èṣù náà.
Okay.
Torí wọ́n ti gbàgbọ́ wípé àṣeburúkú ṣe rere lèṣù. Tí wọ́n bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ oníṣègùn tàbí wọ́n lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́sàn-án yìí wípé àwọn fẹ́ ṣèyàwó tàbí àwọn bímọ, àwọn fẹ́ wà kọsẹ̀jáyé ọmọ ìkí, wọ́n á ní kí wọ́n kọ́kọ́ lọ rúbọ èṣù náà.
Yeah, sorry ma, what is ọlọ́sàn-án?
Ọlọ́sàn-án yìí, how I will put it? That thing, it can, I don't know how to call the name of that thing, but it used to be.
Okay. Okay. About the issue. Okay. About issue, we have there is this one we used to hear that they say that different kind of spirit that walk at night. They say we have what the civilized world like to call bush baby.
Yes.
I think people
That
call it.
is why they are telling the pregnant people not to work in the midnight or in the 1 o'clock afternoon sun.
Okay.
If the sun is too shining.
So a pregnant woman shouldn't walk in the sun.
Yes.
And at night.
Yes.
Why?
Because of that junction.
Because of that junction. Okay, the three junction, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Because of the junction, because that very junction, there is many things that can be staying there.
Like what, please?
It's evil spirit.
Like the issue we're talking about.
Like the issue that we are talking about.
So there is no class of issue
and
that
it's
does
not only the issue now that is working. For example, in the olden days, if you want to talk about the babalawo or oníṣègùn, you will talk about 2 parts.
2 parts, okay.
But now it's more than 10 parts.
Why? What?
Because they have divided. It's like our reading thing now. Before we are having Yoruba, we are having language, mathematics, English, general paper. But general paper now, have divided into many.
Okay, back then,
That is why.
What class do we classify the Babalawo to? Since you say it was classified into 2 parts, then what 2 parts were they divided into then?
Before, you have Baba Ifa, that's Babalawo.
Okay.
That Babalawo, we have their own group.
Okay.
You have Onishegun. That Onishegun, the Onishegun, we have their own group. Babalawo, that is taking Ifa, they used to use white garment before.
Okay.
They are using white. Onishegun before, they are classified with Ogun, Osanya, and so on and so forth.
What's the difference between them both?
Their worshiping is different.
Okay.
Their uniform is different.
They have a uniform.
Yes. Ogun now cannot wear white.
Okay.
At all.
He wears red, right?
Shango cannot wear white. And Ifa cannot wear red. Oshun cannot wear red.
Why is that?
Obatala cannot wear red.
Why is there a diversification between that? Does it mean that they both have different gods they are serving?
In the olden days, let me take it like this.
Okay.
On my own side, I like blue color to be wearing.
Blue attires, yeah.
Some will like yellow.
Yeah.
Some will like blue. Some will like red. That is how.
Okay.
Their worshippers mean what they are like and what they are used to.
Is that color?
Is their color.
Yeah. So talking about who they worship.
In the Ogun side, that they are using red. And what again? Shango. The person that want to kill something cannot wear white.
Okay.
Because they know that blood can stain their white.
Okay, I get
that
it.
That is what they are.
So it's now based on what they worship. What is the function of these 2 people? You know, the function of the Babalawo who put on white and the function of the ones that put on red.
Both of them are doing good.
Both of them are doing good.
We are not saying that they are doing bad.
No, I get it.
Because what I mean is that anyway that these traditional peoples or unbelievers want to, whether they want to do wedding or they have any judgment at court, they used to take knife or iron tin.
Yeah.
They will use iron tin.
Okay, metal, something that has iron content. Okay.
To swear before they start.
Okay. Why is that?
It's because they did not believe in Bible and Quran, but they believe in another side. That is 1. 2, it means that they know that Ogun did not like lying. It's Ogun that is 8 lying than the other gods. If you lie against Ifa today, and you recollect that I'm lying to Ifa, let me go to apologize that I'm lying. Tẹ́bá ti délé oníye bàbá Afá tó dífá fún ẹ tó dẹ̀ ti sọ pé máa ṣe tó kọ tó ṣe. Níjọ́kíjọ́ tó bá rántí tàbí nǹkan yẹn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣẹlẹ̀ tó bá ti sáré débẹ̀ wọ́n lè pín nǹkan ètùtù fún ẹ. Wàá ṣètùtù tó bá ti ṣètùtù ẹ bá dà. Ṣùgbọ́n Ògún tó bá ti lọ dalẹ̀ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ni òun náà ti máa sọ pé mọ́tò 10 dànù o èèyàn 15 ni mọ́tò pa o ọ̀kadà bọ́ sí kinní o. Tí èèyàn bá mú irin báyìí wípé báyìí lò tí wọ́n wá ní kíláàsì yẹn ó dẹ̀ wà lápò mi o èmi kọ́ ni mo mú tó bá lọ jẹ́ mi ni mo mú kí mọ́tò pa mí ó possible kí n má délé torí báyìí lò 10 naira torí mo ti fi gbúra ó dẹ̀ wà lára mi.
Yeah, talking about what?
Ṣùgbọ́n Ifá sì ní sùúrù díẹ̀ wípé bóyá wá bẹ̀bẹ̀.
So what is now the difference between the issue? Do we have different type of issue as we have diversities in the Babalawo too?
No, it's only one issue.
Only one issue. And what is the name? It's just issue we call it?
They are calling it issue.
Okay.
Only issue.
Only issue. Wow.
And it's only one issue that Babalawo, Shango, if they want to tell you to go and plead, it's only one issue, and it's only one thing that they should use to eat than And it's only one thing that Eshu did not want. It's Adi.
What's Adi?
Adi is type of oil.
Okay.
It's one of type of oil from what are they bringing this oil from? Adi Yonko. It's from palm oil, no?
Okay, so he prefers to take the red palm oil, the red palm, right?
Yes.
The palm oil.
Palm oil.
Okay. Well, that is what you've had, and we don't like to delay much of our time. As you know, she's a business personality. I've got some things to do with her. I just invited her in, and she spared some of her time to elaborate about issue and the belief of the Yoruba people to us. And Ma, do you have any parting shot? Let's say your parting shot to round it off for the day. Ma'am? Like, do you have any parting shot, the last word to say, and let's round it up if you have anything to say, please.
My last shot is not much than to have Christ, because there is nothing that is easier than to have Christ. If you have Christ, you cannot go to Eshu or go to any Igbale to go and take anything. Jesus Christ have carried everything away. You will not have any sickness than to go to anywhere if you have Christ. If you can pray, you can go to any mountain or have a fast at your home and pray to God. That is, if you don't want this, you want this. Anything that you want from God, God will provide it for you. Anything that you don't want, if you tell God, God will do it, because there is nothing that you will go to Babalawo to go and search for that they will not call God. They will still call God.
So you say they will call God. Do you mean they will call the issue? Is issue God?
No.
Okay.
If you go to Eshu God, that the issue, please, I don't want you to shame you, because Eshu ma shame me no man so. Eshu ma shame me o me ni o se o. You will still say wo t'Ọlọ́run mọ́ mi lára.
Okay. So
it means that you still talk about God,
the Almighty God.
Create you.
So that is where that is.
Ẹbọ kankan tí wàá lọ tó ní dárúkọ Ọlọ́run tó ṣẹ̀dá yìí òun, torí pé òun náà ló dá àwọn èṣù wọn. Torí bẹ́ẹ̀ ìmọ̀ràn tèmi gẹ́gẹ́ bí onígbàgbọ́, gẹ́gẹ́ bí lady leader ìjọ kan, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Ọlọ́run ni wípé ká kúkú ní Jésù ká dá gbogbo, bóyá àgbọ́wí o tàbí àrángbọ́ o tàbí èṣù o tàbí babaláwo tàbí ká dànù, ká di òpó Ọlọ́run yẹn gangan mú, torí pé òun nìkan ló lè ṣe. Kò sí ohun tá a wá lọ sóde èṣù tá a lè rí gbà lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run. Ká gbà wípé ohun àtijọ́ nìyẹn ó dẹ̀ ti kọjá lọ. Ayé ti di ọ̀tun.
Okay, in this
Ayé ti dáyé kọ̀mpútà.
In the new world of ours, she's trying to say the world is computerized, so
yes,
all these beliefs are gone, and be it some people are still practicing it. And Ma, I believe sometimes when we call you on Eden Years Radio, you have time to answer us next time.
Yes.
All right, please. Thank you very much for coming, Ma.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Ma. All right, please. I'll be transcribing the episode on our social media platform as usual. So let's anticipate where we talk about issue. So let's do all to read in English, and we will have a loving time to understand what she has been trying to say ever since. Please stay locked.